To transfer funds from Phantom Wallet to Binance in 2025, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Step 2. Select the asset. In the wallet, select the cryptocurrency, such as Solana, Sol, or USDC that you want to transfer to Binance. Step 3. Tap on Send. Tap on the Send button, usually located near the asset balance. Step 4. Obtain Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app or visit the Binance website. Go to the Wallet section and select the Deposit option. Choose the cryptocurrency you're transferring from Phantom Wallet, for example, Sol or USDC. Copy the deposit address shown on Binance for that asset. Make sure to select the correct network, such as Solana or ERC20, to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Enter Binance deposit address in Phantom. Go back to your Phantom Wallet and paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Step 6. Confirm transfer details. Enter the amount you wish to send from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Review the transaction details carefully, especially the network. If you're sending Sol, ensure that the Solana network is selected. You will also see a network fee for the transaction. Ensure you have enough funds to cover the fee. Step 7. Confirm the transfer. After reviewing everything, confirm the transaction. Phantom Wallet will ask for your transaction approval. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your Binance account. Step 8. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transaction may take a few minutes to process, depending on the network. After a successful transfer, you'll see the funds reflected in your Binance wallet. Make sure to verify the correct network and deposit address to avoid loss of funds.